Hello. In this video, what we're going to do is have a look at how we take a PDF and convert it into an Excel spreadsheet. Your PDF file really has to contain information laid out in a way that will convert it, but always give it a go. And it can save you hours of time. Recently, we saved somebody at least 3 hours a week in using this convert PDF option. So let's have a look at where you navigate to do this. So you're in Excel and you want to take a PDF and you want to convert it into an Excel file. So in the data ribbon at the top, there is a option in here to get data from a file, and you'll see there are other options here available, and we're going to do from PDF. And when we go into PDF, I've actually got a PDF. It's a basic one, and I'm importing it. The one I have chosen is in a nice table, so it is going to convert really well. But you'll see it uses Power Query to convert it. So this goes into Power Query. What is it that I am trying to convert? So I'm just going to go with the table. You can go with the page. You'll see the page has got additional information on it. This means that I have converted it to a table and just simply load. As you learn more about Power Query in other videos, then you may choose to do that. But to start with, simply load it. And I can delete those, and there is my data from a PDF file directly brought in and converted to Excel. See you soon.